Get ready to witness a dance spectacle that's not just about movement, but a vibrant celebration of culture and unity. Picture this: 6,600 students from all corners of Jabotabek coming together to perform the enchanting Ratoh Jaroe dance. It's not just a dance, it's a shared passion, a cultural treasure, and a lesson in artistry. These young dancers brought their heart and heritage to the stage, uniting Jakarta schools and universities. The grand stage for this magnificent performance was the iconic Rumoh Budaya in Jakarta. All thanks to the collaboration of Taman, Mini Indonesia Indah and the Pemerintah, this breathtaking event now holds a prestigious spot in the Asia Book of Records. So join us in celebrating not just a record-breaking dance, but a rich cultural legacy that transcends generations. Stay tuned for more incredible records right here on the Asia Book of Records YouTube channel.